Hello, welcome back, Grocery Ninjas. Today, we're working with tomatoes that are soft but still good to eat. We'll give them new life by turning them into a rich sauce and a comforting soup. Next, to the cutting board. Let's slice the first tomato. Even though they're soft, they're still full of juice. Let's start with the sauce. Now we let them simmer. I'm going to add some salt. Tomatoes love salt, really brings out their flavor. Some pepper. I like garlic plus. This simmering evaporates the water, intensifies the tomato flavor, and it will be a delicious sauce when you're done. You can use this sauce tonight in any recipe, or let it cool and put it in the fridge for tomorrow or the next day. And if you have a large batch and you want to make sauce, you can do that and freeze it for a later date. Some people like a chunky sauce. I prefer mine smooth, so I'm going to blend it up. This is a thick, rich sauce. Let's chop some onion. Let's add the onion. Time to add the onions. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of homemade chicken broth. This adds great flavor. Some basil. Time to blend. For a rich, creamy tomato soup, add a can of evaporated milk. Time to put it all together. Give it a stir. Give it a taste test. Needs a bit more salt. And a bit more basil. Let's give it a taste test. That's good. So today we rescued soft tomatoes that otherwise might have been thrown away in the garbage. We made sauce and we made a delicious cream of tomato soup that everyone in the family is sure to enjoy. Just fresh flavors and nothing goes to waste. That's what we're up to here in the Grocery Ninja Kitchen. I hope you'll join me again. If you haven't subscribed already, I hope you will. Please like and share to help others who might be struggling with food insecurity. We can eat well for less. Until next time, thank you.